Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly show off something I made here. It is a budgie tree. This is actually their home. And yeah, the green guy is Chico and the blue one is Bella. You can clearly see they really like it on this tree. I see them on top a lot. So yeah, so they've got their chew toy right there. They have rope perches for when their feet are tired, and you got the big one, which is an actual tree, a real tree, dead tree branch. And Chico likes, this is a little mirror toy, but Chico loves climbing this thing. And they got their plastic toys there. They got their lava perches, their food, and their cuddle bone. It's just right over here. And they got their little gravel bowl right there. So yeah.